his cattle call. The cattle are prowling, the coyotes are howling, way out where the togies paw. With spurs all a-jingling, a cowboy is singing his lonesome cattle call. Singing his cattle call. He proud as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Singing his cattle call. When the new days are dawning, he wakes up the yawning, drinks his coffee good and strong. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather, he sings his cattle call. Singing his cattle call. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each